Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Also to identify plasma donors. Plasma donors are required very desperately now because one plasma donor saves 3 lives.
I've taken my first shot of the vaccine today, and I already feel very confident because I had COVID in September, so I know what I went through.
We also have 2 more centers that are going to be launched within this coming days.
And we request you, those who have come here to vaccinate themselves today, please go home and tell your neighbors, friends that they have to log in and get yourself vaccinated.
They have to first take appointment on the website. They have to get registered and then they will get a slot over here.
बऱ्यापैकी आम्ही म्हापशेकारां खातीर एक विदा हसल फ्री सेंटर आमी केला एक म्हणजे बारीक बारीक गजाली लायक स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ ग्लुकोज वॉटर और अरेंजमेंट्स इनसाइड सिटींग अरेंजमेंट मेंटेनिंग सोशल डिस्टन्स हे सगळे आमी हांगा नॉर्म्स पाळिल्ले आसा.
I'm Dr. Sona from Panjim Urban Health Center. As you can see, we have started the age group of 18 to 44 years today. So there is no crowding as such because the slots are already booked of 110 people per day for each and every health center.
So I got vaccinated today with my first dose. The process was very seamless. So I booked my slot using the COVID portal. So I had to try maybe 2-3 times, but on the third time I was able to book a slot.
रिस्पॉन्स सगळ्यांचो बरो आसा आनी मेन सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार सगळे लोक बरे तरेन ह्या पॉझिटीव हितून पळयलें आनी लोकांचें सजेशन आसलें की जे कुडचडे हेल्थ सेंटराक वॅक्सिनेशन आनीक आमचें टेस्टींग दोनी एक कडेन जातालें म्हणटकीर कितें जातालें की टेस्टिंगाक कोण लोक येताले तेय बी खंय तरी मिक्स जावपाचे आनी ताका लागून एक भंय जाताली त्या हितून आमदाराच्या कडेन आमी निलेश बाब काब्राल हेंच्या कडेन आमी उलयले ते अशें जाता म्हणून तेणें इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिवन हेल्थ ऑफिसर डेप्युटी कलेक्टर हेंचे इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिवन हे टोटल टेस्टींग जे वॅक्सिनेशन जे आसा ते सर्वोदय स्कुलाक शिफ्ट केला.
ज्यांनी पळय प्री रेजिस्टर केला पोर्टलाचेर तांचेच खातीर हे अभियान जे आसा पळय 18 to 44 हे 8 दीस चालू आसतले शेनवार आयतार धरून आयच्यान सुरू आनी 8 दीस लगातार चालू आसतले. दर दिसा 110 बेनिफिशरींचे लिस्ट तांकां मॅसेजी येतल्यो तांणीच हांगा येवपाचें. जांकां मॅसेजी आयल्या तांणीच येवपाचें. जांकां पळय मॅसेजी येवना न्ही तांणी हांगा येवन फायदो ना कित्याक आमकां तांकां दिवपाक मेळना.